What if I told you that while everyone else is sleeping,
you could be earning up to doing data entry work from home in 2026.
In this video, I'm breaking down 5 work from home jobs that you can do at night, plus bonus global work from home opportunities. If you work during the day, have kids, or just prefer peace and quiet at night, this video is for you with no commute and no clocking into a building. Make sure you stay with me because the last job is one of the easiest to get hired for, even if you're just getting started.
Disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Income amounts mentioned are not guaranteed and may vary based on location, experience, availability, and individual effort. This video does not constitute employment offers, financial, legal, or career advice, scams, and bribes, nor does it represent harmful, misleading, or dangerous content. I am not affiliated with YouTube, Google, or any employer company mentioned in this video. Always research companies and opportunities independently before applying.
Hi, I'm Diamond, and welcome to Diamond Hunter Enterprises, a channel where we show you how to scale your skills into federal, state, and local government contracting, giving you stability and freedom. Some of the jobs we're reviewing today, 2026. Whether you are looking for full-time, part-time, or just a side hustle, these roles are a great way to earn while building toward bigger opportunities. First up, work from home data entry. This job is ideal if you want something quiet and straightforward. You may be entering information, updating spreadsheets, or verifying records. Pay typically starts around depending on the remote assignment. Many companies process data after business hours, which is why night work is common. Always remember, real data entry jobs never charge you a fee to apply. Robert Half, well-known temporary staffing agency, US-based, and they do have international presence as well. And United Healthcare Insurance Company. They are in the top 5 providers of healthcare. This work from home side hustle is ideal for 1 to 3 times weekly for those who have a 9-to-5 job, want extra money and full-time flexibility. Next up, this company hires remote data entry specialists to help keep patient administrative records accurate and up to date. In this role, you are not on the phones all night. Your main responsibilities: entering, reviewing, and verifying data inside secure systems, making sure information is complete and accurate. It's structured work. You are following clear guidelines and you are working independently from home because healthcare runs 24/7. Roles include overnight or late night schedules, which makes this a solid option if you prefer working while things are quiet. Work from home entry roles like this typically starts around depending on experience and the specific team. Training is usually provided. This is a US-based role at Mount Carmel. Is a large healthcare provider. Good fit if you are detail-oriented, comfortable working on a computer with little to no supervision. Work from home, night job. Is this video helping you? Give it a thumbs up. Number 3, online moderator-content reviewer. Social platforms run 24/7. Which means you have to monitor content overnight. Your role may include reviewing comments, enforcing guidelines, or flagging inappropriate material comments. And attention to detail is key here. Companies like Discord, Snapchat, and Mod Squad. If you're not located in the United States and want a global remote night job, this is a strong option. And remember, I added bonus job at the end that's global and beginner friendly, so make sure you stay with me. 4th, transcription and captioning. You'll be listening to audio or video files and converting them into text. As you gain speed and accuracy, nighttime is ideal because there's less background noise. The company hiring. Go Transcript. This is another opportunity that opens worldwide global, making it great for any international night workers. Hello, London, United Kingdom, maybe Canada in the house. So far, every job we've covered can be done at night, from home, and without clocking in, and it keeps getting better. Number 5, overnight virtual call center agent. The overnight call center work is different than daytime. There are fewer calls, calmer customers, and often higher pay. Many overnight roles start at and can go higher. Training is provided, and some companies even supply equipment. Centrics, for those looking for global overnight remote jobs, of course, jobs are here in the US. This company also hires internationally. Here's a bonus job for everyone who stayed to the end. Work from home, chat support agent. You'll work remote or support your app. Global and remote friendly company. This is one of the best overnight remote jobs because there are no phone calls, making it beginner friendly. Support Your App provides 24/7 US and global customer support. So chat support roles can include night or overnight shifts. We're my night people, depending on the client and time zone coverage. Night shifts are often part of the schedule because they cover customers around the clock, giving you flexibility to work when it suits your schedule. Because it's not phone heavy and there's usually paid training and structured guidelines to help you respond quickly and confidently, this means you'll handle written support requests efficiently, making it manageable even during night shifts. It's not just busy chatting for hours. Sometimes more for specialized language. Are you bilingual? Global and remote friendly. Many roles are fully remote and available worldwide. As Support Your App supports customers in multiple languages and time zones. Now, here what most people miss. Night work opened doors most people never look for. Flexibility, quiet schedules, and opportunities. There are independent government remote jobs, work from home contracts, and income lanes that don't get talked about publicly. And that's what we focus on here at Diamond Hunter Enterprises. So stay locked in.